This tutorial review will show you how to create Instagram professional account step by step. First of all, open your Insta application. Make sure to log in into your Instagram account. Then tap on the profile tab at the bottom right. Tap on this hamburger menu at the top right. Tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down and here you will find this account type and tools option. So you have to tap on it. Then tap on switch to professional account. Tap on continue, 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 continue. And now select a category for your professional account. I'm going to select here artist. And if you want to visible your category on your profile, then you have to turn on this option display on profile. Tap on done. Select here, are you a creator or business? Tap on next. And now you can set up your professional account by tapping on these three options. But right now I'm going to skipping this by tapping on this cross icon at the top right. And as you can see, I've successfully created a professional account. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial review. See you in the next video.